36 posts, 109,000 followers, 18 million views, 7.4 million, 1.8 million, same page, same format, over and over. Car modification reels. Now look closer. That studio doesn't exist. Those cars were never built. Nobody held a camera. Every frame you're looking at was generated by AI. No garage, no vehicle, no crew, no budget. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to make them yourself, unlimited, using Seedance. Seedance 2.5 is live. It drops on Higgsfield in 7 days, but here's the part that matters today. Starting right now, you get unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K. Not 5 generations, not a trial credit, unlimited, for a full week. So the exact reel format pulling 18 million views on Instagram right now? You can sit down tonight and make 40 of them. Every clip in this video, I made. 3 to 4 minutes each, 20 and 10 minutes once you find the rhythm. One prompt, no editing, no footage, no camera, no skill. Watch the first one build. Here's step 1, and it's the only step where you type anything. Go down to the comments and drop the words car modification prompt. That's it. I'll reply to every single one with the master prompt, the full A to Z version I built for this exact style. You don't need a second prompt. You don't need to know prompt engineering. This one does all of it. Copy it, open Claude, paste it, hit generate. And then something happens that most people have never seen a prompt do. Claude doesn't spit out a wall of text. It interviews you. First, it hands you a list of cars and asks you to pick a number. I'll take number 7. Then it asks what color. I go ocean blue pearl gloss. Then the build style, luxury VIP, chrome, deep dish wheels. Then the glow color. Then the location. Then how the final reveal should hit. You just answer, one line at a time. 7 questions, maybe 40 seconds total. And when you answer the last one, Claude assembles the entire master prompt for you, shot by shot, audio layer and all. That's the thing you feed into Seedance. Let me show you what it actually writes. Now copy that prompt, because we're leaving Claude. Head to Higgsfield, links in the description. This is where the generation happens, and this is the part that's free for the next 7 days. Hover over video, click create video, new interface opens, click models, and there they are. Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0 fast. Seedance 2.5 is live, and it lands here in 7 days, but you don't wait for it, because 2.0 in 4K is unlimited starting right now. Paste your prompt into the box, scroll down, turn on unlimited, set quality to 4K. Aspect ratio 9:16, that's non-negotiable, it's going to Instagram. Hit generate, then hit it again, and again. 2, 3 clicks, because unlimited means unlimited, and you may as well stack them. Quick one. If this is already useful, subscribe, it genuinely helps. Now wait about a minute, because what comes back is where people stop believing me. Your clips are ready, and they look incredible, which is exactly why most people are about to lose. Because here's the mistake, they upload it right here. Raw clip, no text, straight to Instagram. And it dies at 300 views. Go back and look at that page again. 18 million, 7.4 million. Every single video has one thing sitting across the top. Overlay text. Rate this build. Stock to beast, not your average. That line is the hook. The car doesn't stop the scroll, the sentence does. And that's the line I told you I was holding back. You already have it. Scroll to the bottom of that same Claude chat, past the prompt, and there's a field called on-screen hook text. Claude wrote it for you when it built the prompt. Match to your exact car and your exact build. Most people never scroll that far. They copy the prompt, close the tab, and throw away the one thing that makes it work. Copy that line, open any editor, import your clip, drop the text across the top, export. That's it. That's the whole difference. Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield. 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K. Then switch to any other Seedance for 7 more days. The link is in the first line of the description, and I've pinned it in the comments too, but this is a pre-sale, and it's limited, so lock it in tonight, not next week. And if you want the other reel format that's quietly outperforming this one right now, watch this next.